dibs in this? Yeah.
It's a tricky area because there's boulders. Like a desert oasis. Big enough.
We don't want to split it into 3 specific units, let's split it into just...
Probably a little bit higher than that.
That's good. Easiest way to subdivide it. The third one on there.
When I swam out the float, out there, it's like I was laying in that, I could feel my muscles spasm. Anywhere else? Yeah. We're in Wyoming now.
That was a dynasty up there. Yeah, that's funny. That's oh. Okay. Or you could do 3 units, you could do the shale and sandstone with this one, and the shale in the middle would be the second unit, and then the whole thing would be the third. Yeah.
I don't know what's over there.
We gotta walk over there. Yeah, let's go over there so we can see the whole thing, and then we can figure out what we want to do. Yeah. Yeah.
No, they're here. There was a sign for them the other day. Usually. I mean, if you see them now, they'll be under a rock. Or in the sand.
No. I remember being there and looking at stuff. I don't remember.
Just know if it's one with a really big stinger, you're probably okay. More venomous.
So pay attention to what we're walking through and think about what observations you can use to subdivide this. Because we're thinking about it too. We haven't decided. By the way, I don't know if you guys see the ripple marks. Oh yeah. There's ripple marks in the that piece of float there. Everybody see it? Okay.
Yeah, but smaller stinger, bigger claws is or bigger claws, bigger stinger, you know. So they have big claws, it means they usually use them. They have a small stinger, and it's like, and those little claws. Little claws means they have easy claws, but the stinger has no venom. It's like I always wanted to come over with four scorpions, like 12 inches long, they're that big, and no, they won't at all. I mean, they feel like hell.
Sweet action.
Other than that, you won't die. Now, the little one, some of them give you a potion. When your body's supposed to be out of it, and you're basically just like right where it goes.
Based off of previous years that we've read into.
Looks like a bruise, and then turns yellow.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we got it.
I really like venomous animals. That'd be really cool. There's venomous lizards out here too. Yeah.
I'm gonna do the descriptions.
Yeah. Key monkeys. The ones black ones. There's a sign for them back at the campsite.
Okay, you got a lot of ant activity there, Dr. Frederick.
Sweet. Hi, ants.
Ooh, ha, ooh.
Okay,
Yeah, he's like,
so we're gonna define 3 units, and we're gonna give you really easy symbols. So what's the first 2 letters?
TW.
Capital T, small w,
What's that for?
tertiary, Wasatch, W-A-S-A-T-C-H.
You have to write out all 3 of your units.
Like the Wasatch again?
W-A-S-A-T-C-H.
Tertiary Wasatch Formation. Okay, we're gonna do it really simply. Capital T, small w, L for lower, M for middle, and U for upper. So TWL for lower.
You gotta get out of there. You have ants all over you.
Stupid.
Oh. Yeah, you're
I'll just will them off me.
gonna have ants in your pants.
Okay, so capital T, small w, L for lower, member of the Wasatch, the Tertiary Wasatch Formation. Capital T, W, M for middle, member of the Tertiary Wasatch Formation. And capital T, small w, U for the upper member. Okay, so we're going to give you the contacts, defining the contacts, but you guys have to do the description. Okay, part of your assignment today is to describe the units. The lower member, the top of the lower member, okay, does everybody understand what I mean by that? The top of the lower member is the top of this resistant unit here. Yeah, see that? That is correlative to that outcrop over there. It goes all the way over there. So you can trace that one in space really easily. I'm not saying trace on your map right now, right, because you're mapping. But that is going to be the top of the lower member. So everything from there is TWL. From there to the south is TWL, towards the water. Okay? All right, so if that's the top of TWL, what is it also?
The bottom.
Bottom of TWM.
Good, yeah, the bottom of TWM. The top of TWM is going to be the top of this next ridge.
You can't see it from here.
Yeah, you can't see it here. It's got the yellow on it. So you're looking at the underside of the bedding planes with that yellow color. Okay, that is, when you get to the other side of it, then you'll see where the top of TWM is, which also defines what?
The bottom of TWU.
Right, and that's TWU. Okay,
And those are the lines for the contacts between the members.
okay. And do you need to go past that? Do you have to find another contact above that to define TWU's top? No. We're just calling everything above that upper Wasatch. Okay? You don't have to put another line below TWL, right? Everything below that is lower Wasatch. So how many lines, how many contacts do you need?
2.
2, good. We have 3 members, 2
These
contacts.
types of contacts. When I'm describing each member, will it necessarily be only one rock type.
He's
No.
not asking me, he's asking you.
No.
No,
What is it?
it's like a series of
Yeah. So when you're describing like the lower member, it's not just sandstone, because it's not just sandstone. We're looking at the middle member. It's not only sandstone. It's made of resistant and non-resistant or lower resistant rocks. So you need to indicate that in your notes. You're welcome to draw a strat column again if you want.
I strongly encourage a strat column.
Okay, you have to draw a strat column somewhere. And remember that strat columns are not drawn in their current orientation. All they do is represent the difference between ledge formers and slope formers. So imagine this is rotated back to horizontal, and sketch a strat column that demonstrates the different resistances.
Resistance, yeah.
Yeah, it's not
The relative resistance. So it would really be, the easiest way to do your unit descriptions is actually in a strat column. So it doesn't really make sense to like just do it in a prose narrative as much as build that strat column and then put in your descriptions.
Depends on how much room you have.
Yeah, and then you just supplement that in your narrative.
Yeah, the narrative is a more robust description. The strat column is a quick reference while you're mapping.
Okay. Any questions?
Can you explain that lower again? It's this?
The top
This
of that
surface is the contact.
is the contact between the TWL and TWM. So what are you standing on? If that's the logic, what are you standing on?
TWM.
TWM. TWM.
Good. On the map, the contact is to the east or southeast.
Okay. Does that make sense?
So wait, I'm confused with the node.
That is
You guys want to start down
From
from here?
there,
Yeah.
It's not, we're not looking up.
Or do you want to start the upper or the lower?
Plane is like this.
Start up. That's
You
fine.
are.
Everybody's trying to go lower, so we can go upper.
And that is this.
That was my idea, actually.
Is TWM.
Cool.
That,
I think
We're
where
hug it out.
I'll hug it out.
we're a little bit.
You ever get a bear hug before?
How far away from the lake?
Word.
Do you want
We're
one?
standing exactly on
Doesn't matter. I'll pass you up. Yeah, calling it.
But at this point, you have to figure out which side of the feature is contact.
yeah. I just want to say I had the right features.
Yeah, we're right here. This is probably
Probably a few thousand acres.
Okay, the roads are on here because they're nice reference points. We're standing on a road.
This is a road?
Well, when you were up there, it was going to be a problem. Down here, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
This part here is this,
Okay.
and this is that.
Back at the vans at noon. Back at the vans at noon.
We're not coming looking for you unless we ask you.
Back at the vans at noon. And that also isn't 11:15.
Yeah, that's true.
You guys, this is what's called scaffolding. You guys have done the yellow mounds and just learning what contacts are. You did the state lands in Wyoming, thinking about finding yourself in topography and relatively horizontal strata. Today is the next step in that, and so each one is going to be a little bit harsher grade and higher expectation. Okay, so take advantage of the time that you have.
Okay. I'm gonna do
And you
5
won't
of each
see it
one.
immediately. Don't get frustrated.
That works.
Keep moving until you do see it. You can't see the whole map from here. Move around. We're going to walk around and try to intersect. But don't get frustrated. You have plenty of time. Give yourself some...
You guys had enough for the top,
Yeah.
and then work my way back.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Were you there for the scorpion conversation?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't know if you were next to me or not.
Gotta find one of the little ones.
The little ones are the ones you gotta worry about.
Yeah, that's why we gotta find one.
Small pinchers is bad. It means they don't need to grab them because the poison fed. What's the furthest point on the map so we could go, really?
I'm not sure. I feel maybe that back wall is the furthest point.
Yeah. That back wall is this here.
Yeah.
This part sticking out is this one.
Well, he said that this yellow would have been the top where the barrier starts. So that there. The yellow there, if you can go there.
Yeah.
On this side. Or we could do both sides.
Yeah.
Do like 2 over here, 2 over there, 1 in the middle.
Yeah.
Kind of wish we would have got out here earlier and not did all the talking. Sun would have been as bad. Because about 2 hours from now at noon, so we're really beaten down.
You guys watch Men in Tights?
Robin Hood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You hear that song in the background right now?
We are manly men. The right or left?
Strike and dip right now.
We'll go back.
It's a little rough. Strike and dip.
This is the fork in the road right here. So we're going this here right there.
Yeah, yeah.
But we gotta walk through the brush.
Or we can go up there, we can walk down the divot.
We can go like these ones. Like that. Or that yellow layer right there. It's pretty good. Is that one and this one line up, I think?
Yeah.
Dude, this sand like randomly gets deep.
Yeah.
Some of these ant mounds are ridiculous.
Fire ants, right?
Should be. I mean, there might be other local species, but usually fire ants kill everything out. They're territorial. That's why if you look around, you only see mounds every like 15 feet.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them might actually be connected too. They found ant mounds that like span like a couple 100 feet because they'll connect from multiple hills.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. They're shiny.
I wish. It's pretty shiny.
What I'm really surprised about is I don't see any ant lions
Lions?
through the dirt. Yeah.
Oh, lions.
Well, there's mountain lions here, but that's not what I was referring to. All right, I think we've cut left off the trail here. No, ant lions are the you'll see them. They look like
I was
funnels,
worrying that anthill right there.
but they look like funnels in the sand. And what they do is they sit at the bottom and they bury themselves. And whenever an ant walks by, the sand moves. and then they'll fling a little bits of sand up at the ants and basically suck them down into a little trap and eat them. We have them all over the place back home. They're pretty widespread, basically anywhere there's ants and ant lion.
Sand?
What unit?
The upper?
You sure?
No?
How are you defining it?
The yellow? The base?
Okay, are you in it or on it?
Walking to it.
All right. So if you are in it, you're calling that. Are you on a cliff former or a slope former?
Slope? At the moment, it's cliff over there.
Okay, so you're kind of on the eroded stuff.
Yeah.
Careful. It's going to make it really tricky for your stripping. Okay? Just be mindful. The whole time you're walking, don't walk without a purpose. Always be thinking about what am I on and where am I going. Okay?
Are we wrong?
I'm not sure. Do you want to go to the other side first? It's more clear over there.
I feel like that was you guys are wrong.
Yeah, it definitely felt like you guys are wrong, kind of thing.
Well, I went with you two because you guys are geologists.
I was going for yellow. Oh, we're going to do both.
Fuzzy cactus. Look at these. Flat. Oh, that's actually all the road. Is that what we're supposed to do?
Maybe.
That might be a little better. Is that on the map? Dude, that's the forest. Yeah, the forest. That's where we're going to use. The side trail leads up there. Oh, there's something sitting over there in the grass. I can't tell what it is.
Mountain lion?
No. Like structure. Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
I see like a little fire pit, it looks like too. Maybe someone was up there. So we do that first? I don't really know what that is. That looks like a bench. Something like fell over.
So if we're gonna do this one, is this little shallow thing here, or you guys want to do the cliff? Well, that cliff's not part of it.
Yeah. I said we go to that thing over there. That's kind of what he pointed to.
Well, that's the top of the, that'll be the bottom of the upper.
Yeah.
I don't want to see what that is.
That looks like a trap or something.
Want to hike to the top or get to the side?
Get to the side, but we have to go like this way because there's a big gully. Right here looks like a rich patch.
So bad because I was stuck on my like black crust.
I'm trying not to.
No deer.
The upper?
Okay, where's the contact with the middle?
There? The bottom side of that outcrop?
What's that?
Is it the bottom side of this outcrop?
The bottom?
Yeah.
We decided it was the top.
The top?
Talk about it down there. It's going to be the top of that unit.
Okay.
So where is it? Where's the top of that unit?
Would it be that yellow outcrop up there?
No. You're looking at the right ridge. I'm just disputing where to put the contact. That ridge we decided is going to be
Oh, it's gonna be the other side.
part of the middle. And I agree that you are walking on the upper. Now we just need to nail down the contact.
It was a couch, by the way.
Couch?
We were wondering what that structure over there was. It's a couch. That's up there.
Okay, show me this unit in space with your clipboard.
Be like.
No,
this-
just show it to me like, yeah, like that.
So
Okay, where's the top of it? Yeah. So where's the contact between the top of that and the bottom of the next unit?
Where the rocks change in there?
Right there.
Yeah,
Where it
look,
touches.
look, see that steep slope?
Yeah.
Nice even slope, and then boom.
So
It
down
flattens
here.
out. Flattens out. It's not down here. I mean, it is down here, but it's not because it's a ravine. Look, see how it goes? It's all piney and nice even slope there, and then
Yeah.
look, it's going like this, and then boom, flattens out. Why does it flatten out here?
Contact.
because it was weaker and eroded.
Yeah. What's the sediment that you're standing on?
Clays?
Shale. Sandstone. Shale. Contact.
So those rocks would be game.
That is what?
That's part of contact. Or the,
No, that's part of which unit?
oh,
The middle.
That's the top
of the middle.
of the middle.
Okay. So
This is the
is part of the upper.
bottom of the upper.
So any of those would be good for upper.
Yep.
All right.
Anything from here that way, do you have to go there?
No.
No. No, that's all upper. The Green River Formation is actually up there. So this is all Wasatch. And then the Green River is above that.
So is the upper kind of like horizontal then? Because it's kind of like flat-ish. Like those layers are pretty horizontal.
Are they? I'm not saying don't go that way. I'm just saying there's no reason to go all the way. So I like what you're thinking. Go take a measurement.
Okay.
You have the tools to do it. Go do it. Take a measurement up there, and maybe the dip changes, right? So you can take a measurement of this thing, right? And maybe it's steeper. Maybe back here it's not.
And that first one's even steeper.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just kind of.
In fact, I would even argue. I see over there. See those triangular
They're inverted.
peaks? Yeah, I think they're even overturned a little. But I can't say that because I haven't been there with a Brunton. But that would be a fun part of the story.
We can do that.
You
Yeah.
can do that.
You want to go over there, do those ones?
So,
We'll do
yeah.
a couple of those beds. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do these right here, or that bit over there, and then start making your way this way. I'm going to warn you, this TWM is going to be very difficult. The TWL, TWU are really easy. TWM is going to be difficult because what's right there?
What boulders or the other?
Yeah, there's another ridge, and beyond that,
Another.
yeah, there's multiple ridges in TWM, so you have to make sure that you're defining them properly and then describing that in your book.
Okay.
Okay. Is
So
it making sense?
Yeah,
You went ahead and do that one first?
Yeah.
Work our way down.
makes sense to start with the top upper.
Yeah, but it's a couch and there's a little fire pit over there, so someone was having fun. Out in the desert. Don't ask me how we got the couch out here. Well, it was definitely shenanigans, but fun for someone. Oh, it all makes sense now. That was a wheel.
Let's get the description first.
I was gonna say we get over there, sit underneath that tree, and then do it.
Sounds good to me.
I'm also realizing it's a lot steeper over there than it looks.
Oh, these are not horizontal. So we got,
Careful of the glass. So this is the TWU.
yeah,
Is this the bottom of the TWU?
top of the TWU, I think. Because the bottom would be down there where we were.
So thinly bedded, yellow thinly bedded.
Oh no, found a lizard, but he ran under there.
Slightly angled. Well, dipping. Is that all we need?
What's that?
So I just said yellow, thinly bedded, slightly dipping.
Yeah, but also what are they? Because this middle part, clay sandstone, or clay like shelly, like I don't even know if this shell breaks so easily. Like mudstone, clay.
This is mostly sandstone because it's resistant.
This is sandstone.
So
This is
sandstone
sandstone.
capped over. Oh, look at this.
But there's also like
This is real thick sand. Or like
coarse, poorly cemented,
friable.
friable. Yes.
So resistant sandstone cap. Over mudstones or clays.
Yeah. It's not metamorphosed, so it's just like muds, clay stones.
So I said yellow, thinly bedded, slightly dipping, resistant sandstone cap over mudstones / clays over friable sandstones. Is that good?
I think so.
What was that? So I think here should be a good first spot, right?
Yeah.
So this will be on the muds, and then we can get up here on top of the sands.
Yeah.
We are I think we're about here. Because this is the stream right here. Actually, we're probably over here somewhere. No, this is the highest spot, so yeah, we're probably about here. Because the road's over there.
Yeah, we're above the fork.
And this is the stream.
Kind of like, yeah.
You think this is sandstone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see probably like waves right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are all ripples. Right here. Okay. I shall do the first one. Are we still at a 9-degree inclination? Because we're in Wyoming.
Yeah.
Is it still set?
Yeah.
On our map, we're about here, right?
Were your fingers?
Yeah.
No.
No? That was the first one. Not like right there?
No, we are there on that little fork thing.
Is that like 8 inches? You think?
I'm gonna say a foot. This one's probably about 1.5 feet. This whole thing though is probably 3 feet.
Yeah.
From here up.
It's like 2 feet, maybe 1.5 feet.
Oh yeah, because this is more shells in here.
Yeah. And they're reddish too. They have like red bands on them.
This layer's a lot thinner than the other layers.
Okay, I'm curious to see what you get. See if I'm even doing this right. Damn, keep it in my head.
Give me a little refresher on how to do this again.
Flat surface on the edge, and then you put the bubble in there, and then you get the white little button to stop it. And you read off the 3 numbers, and then
The arm isn't moving, you tap the button just to make sure it's moving.
he's much better at this. It's my first time using this.
Same. Oh, other than the other day, but
It's like a terrarium.
Looks like...
the bottle. Yeah, I kicked
Oh,
it.
it moves.
Came up there. It was looking out.
Fucker.
I put this TWU number 1. I don't know if that'll be getting me in trouble or not, but
Looks like 41.
For the strike?
Yeah. Wait. Forgot to do the thing. So I did the line so I wouldn't be able to easily figure out perpendicular.
Oh, makes sense. Two and a half hours is a long time to.
that probably takes the whole time.
I mean, just walking.
Oh,
Takes
yeah.
a lot of it. Trying to find best paths and whatnot.
I don't get why we were in the wrong for the first part, though. For both sides.
Because that was the part of the mid. Is what he was trying to say, I think. Because look, if you take that, it connects with that one.
Mm-hmm.
So that would have been the bottom of the upper, which still would have been okay, but
I got like 19. Does that make sense?
I got 20. But I got 0.58 for mine, but I think I did it like here. So it was like slightly more bumpy, I guess. I don't think it's too
I
far
said
off.
41, right?
yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
No, you did. And what was the depth? 19?
Yeah. And
And that would be north.
well, you'd have to go like that. And that's north, so it'd be like
Northeast?
northwest.
Northwest. So, this is right like that, right? 04119.
I just do the slash on the double dots. Does that make sense for it to be perpendicular from 41 to 19? Or is that kind of the same?
That makes sense. If it's 41 and that's 19, it's about half.
Yeah.
Of your angle, I mean, you know.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, you got like 43.
Where the hell did I keep?
Where did I get 50 from? I was looking down here. You can see where it kind of transitions down into mud.
Okay.
Oh, another thing to be careful about out here. Apparently they have really high black widow rates.
Oh, joy.
So. Oh, never mind. That's why.
So if we're here on the map,
How do you spell friable?
Friable.
would it be, we do kind of a,
So you got northwest.
Yeah.
so kind of like that on the map?
I'm not sure.
Because we're drawing placement.
Yeah.
And then we write northeast on it, right? Or west? He said?
You need to put 20 at it, right? Did you put 20 for the dip? Oh, you put 19. I'm just gonna put 20. Close enough. You guys want to go over there or over this way?
There's not a whole lot of good flat surfaces over there. It's all bumpy. It'd probably get better from going this way. There's a glass over here. So we record a bunch of them in our queue them up. Nah, it's 48. I thought we did the middle. Wouldn't that be 10? The middle one. Okay. So that makes sense. I mean, it's been,
Oh shit. So the extreme Y's right there too. So we're like right here.
Were we further up than we thought?
I think our first measurement was like right there.
We're in here. We're at the highest spot, which is up here. Oh, it's up.
Well, if you look,
Yeah.
the stream Y is right there. And so there's the road Y. And here's the stream Y. So like we'd be like, I think like,
We're on the other side of the first one. Or no, we're not.
no we're not, we're on the,
Well, I did a little line where the.
so I think we'd be like,
But we're way past the road, though. The road line
I'd
is
say
way
right
down there.
here, Andrew. I think we're right in here
okay.
somewhere.
Because like some of the roads that we walked on aren't even on here. Over here.
Because I sketched just like faint lines where the layers were.
Yeah.
So it looks like that's the first one. This is the one behind us. And then, so we're up here somewhere. So I think John's closer to where we're at.
You think we're where?
This one here. Because I think this is the bridge right there.
Which one's towards you right there?
This one. Yeah. Because we're not at the back wall.
That would
yet.
make sense.
Because that's the back wall.
Because if this is the first ridge, this lines up with that.
Because this is the second, this is the middle ridge, and this one here is the lobe of the third one.
Wait, but there, that's or that goes right there, right? After the Y. The lake's there. This is the Y. So it'd be like here. And then
I think the main road is this one over here. I don't think this one's on it. On there. Because like we walked along
isn't
the-
that where isn't that where Y is at though? Doesn't that go to the Y? And then go to the Y? Like they're sitting at the Y?
Yeah, they're starting off there. So we're way ahead of it. That's why I think we are where I said. These maps might be old.
This is confusing.
Alright, that's 2 for this upper layer though. You want to move down to the next one or another one here?
This one's not like this low.
You think?
I think we might be like,
Oh, I guess you're right.
Alright, Andrew, you want to try to see what you get here? Right on there.